Malacanang na hindi pwedeng diktahan ng Pilipinas sa anumang nais nitong gawin sa sariling teritoryo. Binigyan din ito ng palasyo bilang pagsang-ayon sa pahayag ng Foreign Affairs Department na hindi pwedeng diktahan ng China ang Pilipinas kaugnay ng sitwasyon sa Ayungin Shoal. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Balte na ginawa na ng pamahalaan ang makatwirang aksyon sa naturang usapin. Gayunman, sinabi ni Balte na isusulong ng Pilipinas ang desisyon nitong lutasin ang usapin sa mapayapang paraan. Kabilang na dito ang pagdulog sa International Tribunal.
If you look at all our actions, we have been reasonable in this particular respect. The government has been reasonable. We have chosen to undertake a peaceful resolution. It has been a deliberate choice to make sure that we do not respond to any provocative actions or statements. And lastly, I would just like to reiterate that we cannot speculate at this point how long this will take. But we will abide by, as you can see, we have been abiding by international laws. We have been abiding by our commitments, and we will leave the resolution of it to the processes that we have chosen to undertake.